Hazrat Abdullah bin Abbas radiyallahu anhu states that Hazrat Umar bin Khattab sitting on the pulpit said, "Undoubtedly Allah Jalla Jalaluhu dispatched Hazrat Muhammad S.A.W. with truth and revealed a book to him. And what has been revealed to him included the words of stoning to death. We read, memorized, and comprehended that verse. Allah's Apostle ﷺ implemented the prescribed punishment of stoning, and so did we after him. I am afraid that after the passage of a long time, someone will say, we don't find the words of stoning to death in Allah's book. So they will go astray, forsaking the obligation revealed by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. Whereas the punishment of stoning to death is present in Allah's book, which is to be inflicted on any married adulterer and adulteress, provided the evidence gets established or there is conception or confession. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4394.